Hi everyone, welcome to ITPK. Today I am going to show you a quick tutorial on how to edit a PDF file. You can use this quick and free method on your laptops or your computers. I will be going to use Microsoft Word for this method. So I have this PDF file. This is a test PDF file or a sample PDF file. You can say I have downloaded from the internet. Let's go ahead and close this. Just right click on the PDF file and go to open with and then go to choose another app. In the apps you will find Microsoft Word. Just double click on Microsoft Word and you will get this caution. Just click on OK. Once you have clicked on OK, you can go ahead and edit PDF files or edit text according to your requirements. I can see you can also edit and update or add few of images in your PDF file here. And once you are done with all your edits, you could just go ahead in the file and let's go to save as. Now you can choose the location where you want to save. Let's go to browse. I want to save it on desktop and I want to name it demo dash 2. And here, make sure you have selected the PDF format, save as type, and then go ahead and save the file. And that's it. We have got our edited PDF after doing our required edits. So that's it about today's simple, to the point, and quality tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe ITPK. Take care. Bye.